Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how you can change your BIP Messenger account theme. Okay, BIP, this is the new apps, and this is very uh, significant ad where you cannot find any disgusting ad. Okay, this is cool feature for VIP. This is the exceptional from other. Okay, when you use emo, whatsapp and the other social media platform, then you will get a lot of disgusting boring ad. Okay, but when you use beep messenger app, then you will not find any ad. Okay, so let's get started this tutorial how you can change your theme, BIP theme. Okay, so we need to go BIP account, click on this app. Okay, initially we are seeing this interface, then we need to go right button corner more, we have to click more. Okay, when we click more, then we will get this interface and scrolling down, and the last one, settings, click on this settings. Then here you will get some section, but we need to go appearance section. Just click appearance. Okay, just when you click, then we are finally getting our theme. So here is a couple of themes you can check in your device. It depends on your moment. When you using this app in day, then you can change in a day mode. When you use this app in night, then you can change according to your time. Okay, so initially it is a native settings, then you can change in day mode. Okay, that will be appeared white all theme, then night mode, then night blue, lavender, orange, dark orange. Okay, so you can customize your own theme from appearance panel. So guys, I hope you got a helpful video from this tutorial. So take care, bye bye.